lace wig to last, all you gotta do is use UOG Beauty products.
What's up? This your girl Mercedez Millionaire from Diva TV magazine, and yes, once again, God has blessed me to make it to another great event, another great red carpet show, the BET Awards, live here in Los Angeles, California. Okay, right here at the convention center. I want to thank all my sponsors. I got Rap Star Energy Drink, we got UOG Beauty products, we got Molly and Mommy Mimi for making my clothes, we got Sky Magazine, we got Miss Crystal who did my makeup, we got Miss Omi Yumi who sent me this beautiful dress. It's hard to pronounce the name of the company, but everybody that came together to make my trip come true. Welcome back. Now today I want to give a shout out to all my sponsors, from UOG Beauty products to Molly Hopkins and Meet Me, from Auntie Sue to Rap Star Drinks for supporting me, Sky Magazine, Upscale Magazine, Renisha Mickens, and everybody that came together to make my trip a dream come true. I love my sponsors and thank you for your support. We are here live at the BET Awards. Stay tuned.
I love UOG Beauty products. They're the best. Yeah, it's a party.
I want to thank UOG Beauty products for sponsoring me and doing giveaways. I want to thank Upscale Magazine. I want to thank God. I want to thank TMZ for giving me this opportunity. And we'll be right back with your girl Mercedez Millionaire. Don't dare to be square, okay? Stay tuned. What's up? This your girl Mercedez Millionaire, and I'm so excited today because today we are here live at the BET Awards in Los Angeles, California. And I want to sit and shout out to my new sponsors, UOG Beauty products. I really like their products. I've been trying them all weekend long. They have an eyeliner eyelash combination that's waterproof and vegan. I really love it. It's really rich. It went on really quick. I'm so excited for the new product. I've been giving them out to all the women here at the event. I want you guys to keep it locked, keep it tight, as we show you clips of the beauty salon with our beauty tip segment with UOG Beauty products with your girl Mercedez Millionaire, live in Los Angeles, California at the BET Awards. I want you to keep it locked, keep it tight, because we got some beauty tips coming for you. Right here, sponsored by UOG Beauty products. We'll be right back.
Icon.
If you ever want your lace wig to last, all you gotta do is use UOG Beauty products.